History is just too cruel. It had never forgiven anyone, and it does have a habit of repeating itself at regular intervals. This, in a way, suggests that strategies, especially in terms of foreign policy, should be seen through a back-view mirror. Foreign Office has the view that Pakistan's foreign policy is based on its national interests, and recent demands of civil nuclear deal with the US is a fresh example of a vibrant foreign policy.
In bilateral meetings, definitely, the US has assured Pakistan to help us in all possible ways to overcome our serious energy deficit. And in the weeks and months ahead, our two countries will be working closely on this issue.
Diplomats from European countries think that Pakistan needs to pick renewable energy over nuclear technology.
Nuclear power is difficult, is problematic. The issue of what to do with waste disposal has not been solved. It hasn't been solved in Germany, and it hasn't been solved anywhere in the world. The issue of how long there is nuclear fuel, uranium, which of all the non-renewable energy sources may well be the one that goes first before any of the others. The safety issues, the security issues.
Post 9/11, American invasion on Afghanistan led to a plethora of controversies, including insecurity of Pakistani nuclear assets, the malicious campaign against Dr. A.Q. Khan, his alleged involvement in proliferation, nuclear terrorism. But at the same time, India was facilitated with civil nuclear deal. However, Foreign Office spokesman seems comfortable over the negotiations on the civil nuclear agreement with the US.
Pakistan is playing an important role towards promoting an enhancing nuclear security as a whole. Pakistan can also play or contribute significantly towards promoting peaceful uses of nuclear technology under appropriate IAEA safeguards. And Pakistan's proposal should be seen in that context.
Foreign policy experts believe that controversies regarding Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan were just face-saving for the US. In real terms, Washington is reluctant to provide this technology to Pakistan.
The ostensible reason is the A.Q. Khan network. That is simply an excuse. The Americans know it very well that there's no proliferation activity going on from Pakistan now. Whatever happened in the past is something of the past. Since then, we've built up a very effective control system. And even the American officials acknowledge now that this is a system which is working very effectively. But it has come in very handy because the Americans wanted an excuse, and this was used as an excuse.
New Delhi has got assurances on India's specific fuel supply under International Atomic Energy Agency guidelines, whereby they will get strategic reserves of nuclear fuel from the US and friendly supplier countries like Russia, France and the UK. Policymakers are of the view that US would not offer Pakistan what it had assured to India. Pakistan has been seeking a civil nuclear deal with the United States since 2005, but the Washington has not been willing to make any commitments. According to the foreign experts, Islamabad's proliferation record has made it difficult for the United States to enter into a nuclear agreement with Pakistan. But many people in this country also believe that the American administration is under intense Indian pressure not to offer such a deal to Pakistan. The country's foreign policy establishment must consider both factors while determining its future course of action on this issue. Faisal Raza Khan, DawnNews, Islamabad.